It's time to shake up your cocktail routine. Discover our take on the Americano. We're blending Campari, sweet vermouth, and a splash of soda to form an elegant and perfectly balanced drink. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's cocktail time, and today we're making the Americano. What is the Americano? It's a very old drink that has roots all the way back in Italy in the 1860s. It's more of a spritzer, but when you think spritzer, you think white wine spritzer, something sweet and refreshing. This is different. This is sophisticated and complex, but just as refreshing. Let's get started. Have here a nice rocks glass filled with ice. We're going to start with Campari. Campari is this. It's an Italian liqueur. It's very bitter and complex. A lot of times it's used in Negronis and other similar drinks. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Look at that color. Right in our glass. Now we're going to tamp down that bitterness with sweet vermouth. This is the kind I like. It's also an Italian fortified wine, often used in drinks like Manhattans. Again, 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Right in our glass. Now, vermouth is a funny thing. A lot of people think that it'll just last in your shelf forever and ever. But the truth is, it's a fortified wine. And once you open it, you need to refrigerate it, and it only lasts a short time. I find that the sweet vermouth lasts longer than the dry vermouth. And a lot of places now, a lot of types, you can write the date of opening right on the label. Now, this is not where this ends. We need to make this refreshing and spritzy. We're going to do that with some soda water. You can use club soda, seltzer, whatever you have. We're just going to top this. Look at that. Now we're going to garnish with a slice of orange and a slice of lemon. Give this a little stir. Wow. That is good. It's very complex. You get the balance of the sweet and the bitter, and it creates almost a little smoky aftertaste. And those bubbles make it all light and refreshing on your palate. And after a few minutes, the garnish will add a nice little flavor too. This is a very sophisticated sipping seltzer, nice all year round. All right, if you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and you'll get this recipe in your inbox. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode of Let's Celebrate TV. Now, I'm going to go sit and relax and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.